What are the unique challenges in managing capital cases and cases involving heinous crimes? If you're curious about the complexities involved in managing capital cases and cases involving heinous crimes, you're about to uncover some critical challenges that make these cases stand out. First, let's talk about the impact of media coverage. Capital cases, especially those involving heinous crimes, often receive extensive and emotionally charged media attention. This can create a slew of problems, including pretrial publicity that can sway jurors. For instance, in highly publicized cases, jurors who are death qualified tend to be more aware of the case details from daily news programs and may hold pro-prosecution biases, making them more likely to find the defendant guilty and advocate for the death penalty. Another significant challenge is the potential for conflicts of interest among key players. In cases like that of Aileen Wuornos, police officers and attorneys were involved in deals to profit from books, movies, or television appearances. This can compromise their credibility and influence the outcome of the trial. For example, police officers in the Wuornos case were relieved of their duties due to their involvement in movie deals, which raised questions about the integrity of their testimony. The presence of cameras in the courtroom can also be a challenge. High-profile cases often have cameras recording the proceedings, which can intimidate witnesses and influence jurors. Witnesses may fear retaliation if their identities are exposed, and jurors may feel pressured, knowing their decisions will be scrutinized by the public. This was evident in the Casey Anthony trial, where the jury was widely criticized after the verdict, leading the judge to seal the jurors' names for their safety. In addition to these media-related challenges, case management itself becomes more complex. Case managers in the criminal justice system, particularly those dealing with capital cases, have to handle additional tasks beyond traditional social service roles. They need to monitor clients, implement graduated sanctions, and advocate for their clients, all while coordinating with various service providers like mental health professionals and drug counselors. Poorly designed programs and overburdened case managers can severely undermine the effectiveness of these programs. Furthermore, securing funding and demonstrating program impact can be difficult due to data management issues. Nonprofits and case management organizations often struggle with outdated resources and inefficient data collection systems. This makes it hard to compile reports and analyze trends, which are crucial for securing funding and showing the effectiveness of their programs. Lastly, the emotional and psychological toll on case managers should not be overlooked. Managing cases involving heinous crimes can be incredibly demanding, both emotionally and in terms of resources. Case managers may have to deal with complex client needs, high caseloads, and the intense emotional strain of working with victims of severe crimes. This can lead to burnout and difficulties in retaining qualified case managers due to low compensation and high job demands. These challenges highlight the unique difficulties in managing capital cases and cases involving heinous crimes, making them some of the most complex and demanding cases in the justice system.